Molweni bahlali, welcome to Sporting Culture. Igama ngumzi Jonas, lesama noBrady behind the camera, uDimpo, uTabi, uXawam, umqeqeshi. Rodman.
Sure, Tabzi kurayida khona kunjani?
Ya, kuhla khona. Kunjani finale.
No, we finale, Rodman. This is what we call best teams in Africa in terms of football standard. Besikhonyiwe Tamzi kakhulu and congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns and the family, staff, onke fans. I mean, this is what we work for. You know, you've put imali, you've sacrificed over the years to see if fruits and the levies, like Messi Bugelizol, you know, to contain one of Ilandiga's big teams in Africa currently. Yeah, as far as Ngulu na, because you could see the Bangaman, he's trying to impose a game to his Sundowns. Yeah, going to the game with Tamzi, we'll see instructions different and we ask about home ameza show Bangaman dominate, aggressive, to make sure we are commanding the game, and then away, drop in, block it so that keep a winner on Anzgile, we know the Sundowns because we see out to Clark be corner, so drop island about making sure okay, maybe it's a counter. Someone open counter so that his speed to Leone, my feel sabana speed so that Bafman go in terms of the game. And as far as basically about we could play our game, we could make sure no if fans say to 100% behind us, seeing the defense have next you could see they are pressing, they are making sure no Itawana Balbega will push in Bamala Pumo Guzunial, but Itawana try to Bonagalisa but us we're not gonna sit at the back, we're gonna play La Majita Olio, creating chances for Zona Ipubase. The channel yeah, you could see first half as it going, but it goal by Fumena ukorawanile as fast and then yabuya quickly alakidila ngendlela operation island Sundowns ingarelax yabuya quickly ngegoli enhle kalando kaMukweni indlela goal shem nana ikhabile la goal yabo to first half uTabzi yabo second half ucoach wazama uthi no uyayazi bale team obvious izawuputha more pressure. What quick change afakwa Alenda so that ancedisane nala midfielder yabo so that badlale Adams naye playing very good, playing very well phakula midfielder, making sure ndoba is allowing ulo mfana uMukwena to run abe box to box midfielder to make sure we cover defense yakhe as a mover. So you could see ndoba they are playing beautiful football. Ungena ka Alenda, those way you see I like it game to game nage it touches, small touches just to break it defense. Yeah, but we combine it touches as imbalo and then we move, we combine it touches. So Alenda he pace is high tag ibonakala ke no Adams but now zisho is zikunikeza izinto zidibanisele zikukhule amadona la ngaphambili olandika ke oLeone uSantos izolo you know we best yakhe but I think bengekho ke best yakhe and then ucoach uzenzele nazo change wabringa Salasi abantu nabo bazama at least yabo udlale number 10 rows to make sure ndoba as fast ayiziyonke le besiza ngale yabo but you could see ndoba until 70 minutes ibonakala siba ihome ifuna goal yafumana nepenalty yesibini abangakhange bayikore very good to Williams because I think yokuqala divert this side better this side so to go yesibini to make sure we are this side I told you so this is this side but yaya side ayakhulu so for Williams it was alright londa yenzile and then bazisa ucaptain wabo I think nabo bamlwele bamakangene to lift the trophy lo mshutuzwane it shows ndoba humility respect among the players, team spirit it shows ndoba they believe ukuthi lento ayenzwa ngumuntu oyi1 lento ayenzwa ngaba bantu bakhoyo ngoku yenzwe ngabantu bebekhona before until to this stage and nabantu abangadlaliyo ngoku abasebenchini nabantu abasestanding they are the part of Lando which is ibonakala londo ku Williams bangamphuthaza as a team. So yeah, that's a beautiful game. Tactical, Alexandra have tried his best to coach well until as far as we could see ndoba unesoka coach and unentona ngayenza. I would like to see him around kwezi team zethu zalapha South Africa, one of the giants athathe phana yabo. I would like to see him seriously because I was not having a candidate before for one of the teams ezinkulu lapha South Africa but what I saw Lamshita in matches Mbala first leg and then dabukela nezinye clips zezaloka ze team yakhe to league yabo. I saw something with Norman. If we can have a coach as South African team, I think ungakude kakhulu ya Damzi.
Okay. Umbuzo nje
Okay.
Standout players macala if ikhona pha
Yeah.
if ikhona ku Sundowns proof I'm sure zikhona.
Yeah, zikhona Damzi, zikhona. Inkosi Damzi ngalombuzo umbuza wona futhi manje. Le out I left back le as fast inkhumbuza uMarcelo. Indlela emuva ngayo, indlela edlala ngayo, I dynamic la out is not someone who obetheka easily, and then naye nxa sebholini is making i-dribbling efuna ba uyayinqanya ku left back yabo. So I was very impressed ngayo. And then captain wabo, someone who's having a spirit but homeboy ukhulele phana, he was playing at inansika yakhe, hometown yakhe, so we could see into bangaba naye, he was one of the fighters. And then kwi Dawana uMokoena, Adams, and I could go for uLeo because I defend the kangihlale uhluphile defender nangona ke yabo engafumenanga, but you could see into bangabana yabo. And I thought ucoach wakhe uzamtshintsha kwa Eli azise uModiba lomshito omkhulu kwa Eli because bese diniwe sekona ndamomba even ngoku sebe dropper in ngasenqo. Okay, but uLeo is someone othi you never count him out yabo. So I like him yena ke, but stand out some nguMokoena no Adams midfield andlalela lamashita nalontwana he's one of the center backs in South Africa. We need abantu abalawi yalamfana, could read the game lamfana, could command, could make sure into bangama ucovers oyi-2 line zakhe ikota yakhe ne-center back le adlala nayo, because I've seen kwi-Sundowns senza lonto leyo. Most of the time ndimbone relax is when edlala no-Grant Kekana, but incedlala nomunye umuntu umbona kufuneka enze i-overload. But ke Damzi bundibuza nge-stand out for manje ngikanqumli kakhulu. Yeah, Damzi.
Ngosini bahlali for watching Sporting Culture. Ngabonga Mzitsho Nas. Peace.